Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in this video I'll tell you how to use your Endnote. Okay, once you're done installation of your Endnote process, then you have to open Microsoft Word. Find the Microsoft Word in your laptop and open it. If your installation is done and it's okay, then the Endnote icon will appear in your Microsoft Word, as you can see. Okay, and if it's corrupted, then this will not appear. So let's start using it. So close this bar and click on the Endnote X9. These things will appear. Now these references are already copied, but I'll show you how to do it from the start. Now close all the tabs. First of all, go to the Google Chrome. Open the Google Scholar, and in the Google Scholar, go to your desired article. Right? You can also use the PubMed. This is another software, but if you are comfortable with the Google Scholar, you can use that as well. Now go to the PubMed and type any of the topic for which you want to find references. Now for example, I'll type behaviorism theory, right? Okay, so just for giving you example, I'll type behaviorism theory. You can type any of the topic which is required to you. Now multiple options will appear, and I'll click any of the option, right? Let's scroll it down and click this one, for example. Now when it gets open, then scroll this page down and scroll it down. Okay, so you see the word site, right? Click on this word site. Now there are different types of format. Just click on this NLM, right, and click on the download, right? So this all reference will be downloaded. As you can see, click on this option and this will be updated and automatically copied to your Endnote. In all the process, you don't have to close the program of the Endnote. Okay, just minimize it and the reference will be automatically directed to the Endnote. Now don't cross it. Again, minimize it, go to the Microsoft Word, click on the Microsoft Word, and again select the Endnote X9, and you can see insert citation, right? There is an option on the extreme left top, insert citation. Now you can select any of them, but click on the selected citation, so automatically the references come here, right? Now if you select on the insert citation, you have to click on the name of the theory here, right? Like you have to find it in your references. If you type behaviorism, then multiple options will appear, but if you don't type anything, nothing will appear. So the easiest way is to select the citation already, and then when you select insert citation, insert the selected citation, it will automatically appear. Now let's take another example. Okay, now let's open another software, that is Google Scholar, to which you are already familiar, right? Now in the search bar, type Google Scholar Now select the Google Scholar program. Okay, so you are in the Google Scholar. Type any of the topic you want, for which you want references. I'll type cognitive theory, right? Let's click on this and see what appears. Again, multiple topics appear. Okay, so there are some of the articles for which you cannot download the references. There is a block on them. So don't waste your time on them. Go and select those topics for which you can download the references, right? For those articles where the references or download citation doesn't appear, it means there is a lock on them and you cannot download it. As you can see, this one, there is no downloading option here, right? So don't waste time on this. Simply cross it and go to the one for which you can download. Okay, so you can see the word site, right? Okay, I'll come after Azan. Okay, now when you click on the word site, the references will be automatically downloaded, right? Click on this downloaded references, and as your EndNote is open, so it will be automatically directed towards this EndNote, right? Now, okay, now see the EndNote references is there, and you can select all references, so all of the references will come, right? If you want to delete the old references, select them and press cut, right? When you press the word cut, the old references or the unwanted references will be deleted. Again, cut and it will be deleted, right? So in this way you can remove the unwanted or unnecessary references. Now you select the reference, again go to that EndNote icon, right, and press on the insert citation. Now here write the name of the theory for which you have downloaded the references. For example, behaviorism theory. Just write BH short form. Click on find. So all the references related to that will become visible. Click on any of the two and insert. Right? It's already inserted. Now again go to insert citation. Okay, so this time we will select one of the references and then we will see how insert the selected citation works. Click anyone. Now insert citation and click this, the other, and when you insert it, the second will appear, right? Now again, is it clear now? I hope you understand this. So in this way you can put as many references as you want without getting into the problem of plagiarism. You can make groups of references, give them heading, or do whatever you can want. So that was all. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.